Lobster recipe air fryer, a luxurious feast in minutes. Gluten-free and keto-friendly. Lobster, the word itself conjures images of elegant dinners and hefty price tags. But what if I told you could enjoy perfectly cooked, succulent lobster tails in the comfort of your home, and in under 15 minutes? Introducing the Air Fryer Lobster, a culinary game-changer that delivers restaurant-quality results without the fuss. Ingredients: serves 2. 2 frozen lobster tails, 6 to 8 ounces each. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/4 teaspoon dried thyme. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Lemon wedges and fresh parsley, for garnish, optional. Instructions. 1. Thaw the lobster. Thaw the lobster tails overnight in the refrigerator, or place them in a bowl of cold water for about 30 minutes. Pat them dry with paper towels. 2. Prepare the herb butter. In a small bowl, whisk together the melted butter, garlic, paprika, thyme, salt, and pepper. 3. Butterfly the tails, optional, using kitchen shears. Cut along the top of the lobster shell, stopping before you reach the tail. Spread the shell open like a book, exposing the meat. This step isn't necessary, but it allows for faster and more even cooking. 4. Brew sh and season. Generously brew sh the lobster meat with the herb butter. Season with additional salt and pepper, if desired. 5. Preheat and air fry. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius. Place the lobster tails in the basket, meat side up, making sure they don't touch. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the meat is opaque and firm to the touch. An internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, is ideal. 6. Serve and enjoy. Garnish with lemon wedges and fresh parsley, optional. Serve immediately with melted butter for dipping, roasted vegetables, or your favorite salad. Tips. For a touch of smokiness, add a pinch of smoked paprika to the herb butter. Don't overcrowd the air fryer basket. Cook the lobster tails in batches if needed. If your lobster tails are larger than 8 ounces, increase the cooking time by 1 to 2 minutes. Leftovers? Shred the cooked lobster meat and use it in salads, pasta dishes, or lobster rolls. Why you'll love this recipe. Fast and easy. This recipe takes less than 15 minutes from start to finish, making it perfect for a quick and impressive meal. Healthy and delicious. Air frying uses significantly less oil than traditional cooking methods, making this a lighter and healthier way to enjoy lobster. Restaurant quality results. The air fryer's circulating hot air crisps the lobster while keeping the meat moist and tender, resulting in a truly luxurious dining experience. Gluten-free and keto-friendly. This recipe is naturally gluten-free and keto-friendly, making it suitable for a variety of dietary restrictions. So ditch the fancy restaurants and impress your guests with this simple yet stunning air fryer lobster recipe. It's a surefire way to elevate your weeknight dinner and indulge in a taste of luxury without breaking the bank. Bonus tip: don't throw away the shells. Use them to make a flavorful lobster stock for soups, bisques, or risotto.